Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over this method that you can use to make money online fast. And look, this isn't hype or fluff or anything like that. This method works. How do I know it works? I trialed it, I tested it, and I shared this over in my Facebook group. So let me go over here and I'll show you this right now. So if you're not in my Facebook group, feel free to come over and check this out. So you can see here, this I've just typed in the search box here, TikTok, and please don't let that put you off with this method, because once you know how simple this is, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to speak, you don't have to be dancing, singing, doing any of that nonsense that you associate with TikTok. This method, it works, and I've proven it, and I've shared this over in my Facebook group. So I started over on TikTok in May, and what I was doing is, you can see here, I've got here day 7, day 4, and another one here, and another one here. So once I started on TikTok, you can see this was when I put my first video. I was trialing this, and I was testing this, and I was sharing the results within my Facebook group. So you see here, this was on day 7. So let me just click on here for you. So look at this, day 7 on TikTok. I've received over 2,000 followers in 7 days from scratch with nothing. I didn't advertise this on my YouTube channel or on my blog or email list or anything. I went into this, under the radar, if you like. So within 7 days, I've got over 2,000 followers. I earn over $300 in commissions, and I also got 99 people into my email list. And it's really simple. So look, in this video I'm going to show you how this method works. We'll go over this step by step, but I promise you, if you watch this video till the end, you'll know exactly what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and ultimately how you can start making some money with this. And I'll show you how you can also fast track a lot of the learnings that I went through on here. But ultimately, TikTok, it's a great platform that you can use to make money online, and you don't need any equipment for this. Literally, you can use this, just make money with this method using your phone. It's really that simple. So let's just start right at the beginning. How does it work? So let me just jump over into TikTok very quickly. So we'll go on to TikTok now, and I'm going to click on Watch Now. Now obviously I'm on my laptop here. It's a mobile app. It works a lot better if you download the app onto your phone, but it does have some functionality when you come in this way onto the website. So you can see, you can scroll through and you see all of these short videos. But let me just go ahead and show you let me go and show you my example here. So if we just go on to View Profile. So this is my profile here, and I'm sharing different videos about making money online. And what am I doing? I'm literally recording my computer screen. And some of these videos, I'm not even talking. I'm honestly just putting up these little captions here. And all of this is done with inside of the editor on TikTok. And again, it's really simple to do. So how does this method work? Well, what we do is we go ahead. First of all, we find a product which we want to promote or share, because that is where this over here, this $300, this $300 comes in, because you don't want to just be randomly doing what a lot of people are doing on TikTok and uploading videos, because what's the point? unless you really like that. But you can see here, this, let me go down to the bottom. So you see, that's all the videos I've uploaded onto the profile. So this was my first one, 333 views. So in terms of TikTok versus YouTube, you can grow a lot quicker on TikTok. You can get a hell of a lot more views on TikTok. But I mean, look at this here. I wasn't even talking on this. I don't think I was talking on this video. It's me recording my laptop screen saying step 1 and then step 2. So 300 views on my first video. Second video, 257, 290, 302. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4. My fifth video hit 2,000 views. Would you get that on YouTube? I very much doubt it. Not within your first couple of days. Then look at this video here. 65,000 views. 621. 200, 200, 200, 200, 300, 7,000. Come up here. 800, 200, 700. So you see, this platform here is absolutely awesome for generating traffic and free traffic. So let's just break it down even further. So step 1 is we find a product to promote. Really simple stuff. So you can go over onto ClickBank, Warrior Plus, wherever. Once you've got your product that you want to promote, you then create content. And as you see here, it is literally me recording my laptop. Now, this is just one way that you can do this. You can record your laptop, you can record your phone, and many other ways. You can go on free websites like Pexels and Pixabay and download those images and videos, and lots more places where you can go ahead and get this content. And all you do is you upload these videos onto TikTok, and at the end of this, you just put in a really simple call to action where you say, click the link in the bio and then you send traffic over to, you know, any products that you're promoting. Now, if I come up here, now again, I'm on the laptop here, so you can't actually see this. But if you watch my mouse, watch the cursor. See, it's changed there. So this here where it says start down here, there's a link here. So this is where I'm sending traffic over to. So if I click on here, so you see I'm driving traffic over to this landing page here. And look, this is on a website called Linktree, and it's absolutely free. So you can go ahead and get this for free. And you see when someone goes from my TikTok profile over on here, look, we've got this up here, how to earn $300 to $500 daily, my free affiliate marketing course, another free course, and a link over to my YouTube channel. So anyone clicks on any of these, I'll just show you the first one. So how to earn $300 to $500. They click on here, it then takes them over here, and basically what I'm doing here is I'm just capturing their email before I send them over to a product that I'm promoting. Really simple stuff. My free affiliate marketing course, so I'm sending people there, and then look at this one here. I'm sending people over to this affiliate product over here, which I'm just testing out at the minute, which is, it's a free course again. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm giving people numerous ways to make money online for free. So this is free, all of these are free basically, and all I'm doing is I'm capturing their emails and then I follow up with them and make money on the follow-up. It's that simple. Now when I was doing this trial here over in my Facebook group, this $300, I wasn't actually capturing people's emails because I just wanted to see if this would work over on the platform. I didn't want to spend a lot of time, you know, setting things up. So I literally just put a simple link in here leading to a product over on Warrior Plus, and I earned that amount of money. And it was honestly really simple and easy to do. Now let me share with you some more examples of, you know, different types of videos, because if you don't want to record your computer screen, you don't have to. There's other ways you can do this. So if I come on here, look at this one here. This is the Business Kid. All he does is literally record him writing things down on pieces of paper. And if I go into his account, he gets insane amounts of views. So look, he's got 169 followers. If I come down here, look, it's just him recording what is written down on some paper. And what you'll also notice on this as well is, and this is something what I love about TikTok, is once you've created a video and put it on the platform, guess what? In 2 or 3 days later, you can re-upload the same video, and TikTok actively encourages you to do that because it's getting interaction. So whereas on YouTube it would be classed as duplicate content and you're not allowed to do that, on TikTok they actively do that. And I'll show an example. So you see this one here, new car. This is it's had 1.5 million views. Now if I scroll down here, we're going to find it again, because I know for a fact he's put this on before, because I saw it when I was first starting out on TikTok. So if I come down here, it's on here. It is on here, I promise you, it's definitely on here. 6 million views. So look, same video, new car, using the bank to make dollar. So he had 6 million views on this video here. It's done incredibly well for him. So he's then re-uploaded it onto TikTok and he's got another 1 million views. And all of these videos that you can upload, you've got 3 options. It can be a 15-second video, a 30-second video, or a 60-second video. And it really is that simple. So if you just go into here, I'll show you this. So you see over here, once this is the video, and then on the right hand side here, you give your video like a little title, so Hack Your Money Game here, and then you also include hashtags because people can find your videos via hashtags. So these are the hashtags that is used for this. And then obviously all of these down here are the comments for the video. And it's not very long at all. I think from memory this video here was about 40 seconds long in total. So this is it. This is how this whole method actually works. So you go ahead, you find a product that you want to promote or decide on a niche, and you can find multiple products. You then come over to TikTok and you can create videos like similar to this one here, or like what you see on my channel. If I go back over here, let me just give you some more examples of other people doing this. So that's an ad. Let's just come down here. So look, someone here again recording the computer screen. Come down here, this is someone just talking. Again, somebody recording the computer screen. What's this one? Computer screen. Someone just talking here. I mean, what on earth is this one? This is someone flicking through a book. Look at this. It's had 2,337 likes, 127 shares, and 13 comments. And look, that's the video done. It's absolutely insane. Another one here, etc., etc. So look, in terms of this method and making money on TikTok, you don't have to be on camera. You don't have to invest lots of money with this. You don't need to be singing, dancing, talking. You don't have to film yourself. I've shown you my examples. I've shown you numerous other people who are doing this method. And it's, as you can see, can you literally upload a 60-second video of you recording your laptop, or record you writing something down on a piece of paper? I absolutely think so. So if we do a recap, and I'll show you how you can fast track this. The recap of this is we decide on a niche or a topic. We then find products to promote. Once we've done that, we then come over to TikTok, create an account for free. We then start uploading content like some of these ones that we can see on here. We then upload it onto TikTok. We put a description in. We use some hashtags, and then we also have an affiliate product which we want to promote or send our traffic to. And that's the whole method. It's genuinely one of the easiest and simplest ways I have found to make money online. And you can see over here, within my first 7 days on the platform, I earned over $300. And I did this, showing you everything what we've gone through so far in this video. So look, if you're interested in TikTok, that is how you can go ahead and make money. If you want to fast track this and learn, all the different methods around this, there's a link below. It'll take you over to an article on my blog where I share, some more different screenshots on this. But ultimately, you can go ahead and get access to my course, which is called 1 Minute Magic. Now, this launched a couple of days ago. It's incredibly cheap. I think it's less than $12 you can get this for. This is inside of the course. So let me just show you this. So this is the 7-day case study. So I'll go over this. I'll show you this. And then on day 3 and day 7, I'm actually updating this live. So I updated the previous day. So on, like, say, day 8, I was showing day 7 results. On day 4, I was showing day 3, etc. So this is the case study here right at the beginning. Then we're going to getting started. And we've got your profile, so how to optimize your profile, how to get on the For You page. Now, this is really important because over on TikTok, you've got two. Let me go and show you this actually. So you see over here, we've got For You and Following. So the Following tab is, different accounts which I am following. You want to be able to get your content within this For You tab here, which is basically where TikTok are promoting your content for you. And again, we cover this within the course. We then go through how you can get this Linktree account set up on here and what to do. And then we also look at the TikTok algorithm. So that's all that. Then I go into simple video creation and I walk you through all of this. So how I create simple videos using audio, if I come down here without being on camera or talking, using slides if you want to, what you need to do after you upload a video, and then finally we look at under the radar hashtags. And this is a really cool little video because there's different spelling variations for some hashtags that you're potentially using, and I didn't know about these different variations of hashtags. So this here, it walks you through how you can find under the radar hashtags and other bits. And then there's also a best practice guide in here. So if you click on here, it takes you over to the best practice guide and how to automate TikTok. So there's a link to this below. It will take you over to my blog here. Go ahead and have a look at this and check this out if you want. There's also a full review video where I walk you through inside and lots more in here. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you're interested in making money on TikTok, well, on any platform, if you're interested in making money online and quite fast, then this is a great way that you can do this. Do you need my course to go ahead and make money with this? No, you absolutely do not. Will this help you and speed up the whole process? Yes, of course it will, because it walks through everything you need to do in a lot more detail, and I show you, inside and lots more other bits. But that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.